Morning. So I'm out here with my 2024 Yamaha Wolverine X2 1000, and I am working on, I'm done, but anyways, so I added a feature to my bed, or my cargo bed. So what I did is I mounted two plates from the Milwaukee Packout system. I got a small one for my cooler. So got my cooler here. Push it in there, lock it down. Now I got a cooler ready to go, no straps. Then I also got one for my cargo box. So this one I keep things like snatch strap and any bungees or cords or anything I need in there. I also have the cover for my side by, so I can cover it up wherever I go, but when I'm out for a day ride I take that out. So then I've got a small toolbox that I put with me, and it's just basic metric wrenches, sockets, and just little things, some rags. I've got everything there, and I can, but anyways, so wrenches in case you need them for whoever you're riding with. But yeah, so that's my containing system, and it's really strong. It doesn't move anywhere, and yeah, it makes life a lot nicer when you're out on the trail and you don't have to cinch strap and everything's not flying around and moving around. This is really sturdy and works great. So that's what I did for another accessory to my 2024 Yamaha Wolverine. So the saga continues of accessorizing your side-by-side.